Carly is a 30-year-old Filipino woman with 3 children and has a history of depression and anxiety. She attempted suicide at 23. Maribeth noticed Carly wearing long sleeves on a hot day and suspected that she might have self-harmed. Carly doesn't want to discuss her issues or seek help due to distrust of doctors, fear of police, and or child protection authorities removing her children, and fear of triggering her past abuses and further distress.
Hi, good morning, Carly.
Good morning, Carly.
No English. That's all right. I'm bringing Angela with me and she will be our interpreter for today.
Ay kabala ka, ako yung pasabot sa imo si Enlisod.
Okay. Okay. So, Carly, would it be okay if I will speak with you for a minute or so?
Okay ra ba da kung mag-exploration nimo mas kilala ka rin.
I noticed that you're wearing long sleeves on such a hot day, and I just want to make sure that you're okay.
Nabantayan niya sige do pagsuot o kanang jacket nga init man ang ita. And gusto niya mabawaan kung okay ra ba daw ka.
Okay ako eh, tapoy ng dito.
Maribeth, Carly said that she's fine and she's just tired today.
Thank you. Carly, I understand that you have struggled with depression and anxiety in the past. Have you ever tried to seek help with these issues?
Ana si Maribeth Carly nga pasabot daw siya nga nakay mga problema nga giatubang karon imo ba daw gisuwayan o kuan panay tama.
Wala oy, pinili man ko mo to doktor o uban pang mananambal kay atagan ako nila tambal nga feeling nako musamot man ang akong sakit.
Maribeth, Carly said na no, she haven't, and she don't trust doctors or mental health professionals, and they always try to prescribe her medications that makes her feel worse.
Oh, I see. I completely understand your fear, Carly. But I think that seeking help is an important step in healing. The right professional can assist in coping with your depression and anxiety, and also help you process your past traumas. As a support worker, I can provide you with guidance and assistance as you navigate your mental health journey.
Carly, ni ana si Maribeth nga pasabot daw siya sa imong hadlok nga mo mga tabang sa lain, pero ni ana siya nga mo ni usa ka dalan nimo nga maayo ka sa imong diplomatic karon. Gusto niya nga makatabang siya sa imuha o masuportaan ka niya sa imong mga abi.
Kasabot man ko nga gusto mo motabang nako pero mahadlok ko nga may balaan sa uban or sa mga pulis unya kwaon nila akong anak. Mahadlok man ko nga malayo akong anak sa buwan dili ko gusto anak.
She said that she knows that she's trying you to help her, but she's afraid that if anyone finds out about her condition or her self-harm, the police or child protection services will take her kids away from her.
I see. I know that it's natural to be afraid of losing your children, but I can tell you that mental health professionals know how to help people like you who are struggling. And as a carer, I assure you that unless there are serious safety concerns for you or your children, we will never disclose your personal information to the authorities. This I can promise you, and that we will keep everything confidential.
Carly, Maribeth said na okay ra daw na kanang mahadlok ka nga mawala imong anak, pero kailangan nimo magpaayo para sa ilaha, para mag-guide nimo sila, maayo ka sa tanan nimong mga gipamati, imong pagmuna-muna, inaa sila sa imong hamong tabang para makauban na po nimo imong anak pag maayo ka.
Kasabot man ko, Mary Beth, pero di na dyan ko masalig sa uban. Kay di pa dyan ko ready nga mustorya sa akong mga kaagi, akong kasakit dito sa uban. Pero kung ready na akong kaugalingon nga mustorya sa uban, sa akong pamati, tawagon lang ka or kung naakay mahatag na i-recommendar sa ako dawato na ako, hindi na.
Carly said, "You are right, Meredith, but she don't trust anyone anymore, and she's not ready to talk about her past or seek professional help yet. But if ever she do feel ready, she will reach out to you or someone you recommend."
That's nice to hear, and that's all I can ask for you. Just know that you are not alone, and there are people who want to help you.
So, ora daw na, and ang gusto rin daw niya, nga makatabang siya sa imuha, o mawala ka na ng mga problema, o maayo na yung kinabuhi, aksay na yung magmula-mula.
Salamat tayo, salamat.
Okay, thank you so much, and it's been a wonderful meeting.
After the discussion about Carly's self-harm, Mary Beth understands the challenges she faces and wants to support her in any way she can. Mary Beth creates a crisis action plan to help her heal and improve her mental health. She reminds Carly that her personal information is confidential and that seeking help is important. Mary Beth also offers to accompany Carly to appointments or support groups if she feels comfortable. Mary Beth emphasizes that Carly has support from others who care about her and can help her make the best decision for her mental health.